Hello guys, it's Explanation Information, the best place on YouTube for online tutorials and more. And today guys, we're back with another tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Chroma Key or green screen in Kinemaster. The first thing to do is obviously create a file. And then say you have a video clip and you want to add a subscribe button animation or subscribe button picture. You will download from YouTube or Google. Let's say this is my video, a white screen, and I just want to add a subscribe button animation. So after you download your subscribe button animation or picture, you will go into your file where you have it. And now guys, since I have my subscribe button animation, since Kinemaster have a neat green screen and it's easy to use, all you would do is scroll down till you click on see Chroma Key. You would enable it. If it's a different color other than green when you use a green screen animation, all you have to do is just select the color the background is, and I selected orange. So as you see, when I play the video, boom, the subscribe button animation worked. And this is the same, can work for images too. So if you want to do it for images and not just animations, you can do the same too. Okay, now guys, I'm going to show you how to make green screen animations with Kinemaster. Now Kinemaster, like I already said, it makes it easy to use green screen. So if you want to make specific or different type of animations on Kinemaster, I'm going to show you how to do that. It doesn't have to be this specific thing that I'm doing. This is just using this for example. So say I want to make people running in a marathon for a green screen. This is how I would do that. So first you get your background. Say you're making you want to make a Minecraft green screen animations. When you pop up a green screen creeper, or you just want to make them running in a picture, a Minecraft picture. This is just example for that. So then say I want to make people running on it, I will get my green screen animation that I got from YouTube. Like I said, all you have to do is go down to Chroma Key and then select the color. And now I'll make this zoomed in, and I would fix this. Okay, now guys, I've done it. As you see, it makes it look like they're running. So you could do this with different types of video. Say you want to make a Minecraft video where you record yourself in Minecraft running across the green screen, and say you want it to look like your Minecraft character was running around a forest or something like that. All you have to do is do the same thing I did, but with your Minecraft stuff instead. So Kinemaster, they make it really easy, so you can use you can make different type of green screen animations, and you could get all your green screen files and stuff like that from YouTube. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like and comment, and see you soon.